Hi guys, today we will talk about can Code really beat Naruto? Now a very big spoiler warning for people who haven't read the Boruto manga. If you have read the latest chapter of Boruto manga, then you might have read this panel where Amado have certainly confirmed that Naruto cannot beat Code one on one like he beat Delta. So now that Code is on the path of revenge for Ishiki's death and have swore to kill Naruto, the fight between Code and Naruto will occur in future. Now let's see what will be the outcome of that fight. Let's start with Naruto. So now that Naruto have lost Kurama, because of that Naruto power level have gone lower than before he had Nine-Tail Chakra. There are a lot of things Naruto won't be able to do as said by Kurama himself. But that doesn't mean Naruto is powerless. I mean he is still a ninja after all, and he can control all the five nature of chakra. And he also has his Sage mode which he uses natural energy, as we have seen in Shippuden. A Sage mode Naruto was able to take down Pain who had the power of Rinnegan. And Naruto still has the chakra given by a Sage of Six Paths inside him, so he can still use Sage of Six Path mode. And also even if Kurama is gone, Naruto can still have some chakra of other tailed beasts which they gave Naruto during war. And we have recently seen Naruto using four-tail chakra in his fight against Delta. So Naruto still have lots of weapon in his arsenal, but how strong Code is and why did Amado said he will easily beat Naruto? So let's look at the power source of Code. So Code bears a white karma unlike the black karma that Kawaki and Boruto have. He got this karma same way as Kawaki as Code survived the ritual of Jigen of finding vessels for Ishiki Otsuki. But since Kawaki was the one whose karma resonated with Ishiki's, somehow he was left with the white karma, but he wasn't suitable as a vessel for Ishiki Otsuki. So now that Code can't become Ishiki's vessel and thus can't become Otsuki, so he used this karma as a weapon, which is a very dangerous power as we have seen till now, like Jigen with karma was able to beat Naruto and Sasuke both single-handedly. Also we have seen Code using these black bands which he also wears on his face and on his arms. Now from what we have seen, their ability looked like the teleportation jutsu. He uses these black bands to teleport. But their true power still hasn't clear. Apart from that, he also have a monstrous strength as said in manga, and his body is also modified into scientific ninja tools like Kawaki by Amado himself. He is also said to be the most powerful member of Kara, even powerful than Jigen. That is why the limiters were put on Code to keep his power in control so that he can't rebel against Jigen and only Amado can disable that limiters. From this it seems that Amado have a pretty clear idea of the power that Code has since he was the one who put it under control. So he also know the power level of Naruto from Naruto versus Ishiki's fight. So it is safe to assume that Amado know what he is talking about and Code can defeat Naruto in one-on-one. So until Naruto somehow awaken a new power or some kind of new technique, it will be impossible for him to beat Code. Now in manga they are referencing the Code versus Naruto fight in several chapters. This might be the biggest fight of Boruto. So what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.